guys, it's Taylor aka BeautyThat, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get ready for the homecoming party. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me, so stay tuned. Hello, we getting ready for the party. Ooh, ooh. Y'all, I'm struggling. The time is 9:53.
Heels. Bring some sandals. You bringing sandals?
No, I'm gonna strengthen it out.
Okay.
I don't know how YouTubers like brush their teeth all pretty in the mirror. Like, that's not how I don't brush my teeth that way. So y'all, I literally just got out the shower. It is 9:54 and the party starts at 10. But yeah, hair is not done. Outfit's picked out, thank the Lord. But yeah, we got nothing coordinated. So I'm gonna wash my face using our Cetaphil Daily Cleanser. Okay, what's next? I put a new 40 on. Party starts in 60 seconds. I think we can make it. We skipping the eyelashes tonight because I just don't know how to do them. So. We are starting the makeup. Yeah. Gosh. The time is now 10:11. It took us like 15 minutes to figure out what the heck to do with this hair. And it's the same hairstyle we wear every day. It has its own brand. So. What is my song? Ooh. Ooh, this song gets me in my feelings. Quick. But I told you not to trust these. Break it down, Jhené. Break it down. I'm just gonna throw some eyeshadow on these eyes. I don't even know what we're gonna do. Just a brown and an orange. And call it a day. Oh, how'd they play both of my sad songs back to back? Both of them. Come on, Jhené. I have 7 minutes. Cool. Oh my gosh, why am I hair doing this? Alright, so right now it's 10:33. I'm literally about to throw on this dress right here with these shoes right here. Yeah, so let's get out of here. Alright, now I gotta try to zip this up by myself. Frick, I can't do it. Hey ladies, can y'all help me? Amari, can you help me zip up my dress? Y'all, I can't even, I'm a mess. Retweet. This better fit. This dress better fit. No necklace though? Uh-oh. I'm spraying some warm vanilla sugar from Bath & Body Works on my body. Is that Amari? Oh, you better work. Oh, you saw it?
Can you see me in the camera?
No, you're good.
You sure?
I think so.
I can't get caught up.
You're good. Is this too much? I feel like this is too...
Down here.
Is this necklace too much?
I like this.
Hey girl, what's up?
Okay.
Y'all, question. Is this necklace too much?
No.
No? It's good? Okay.
I like it.
Thank you. Alright. Putting it on.
You poor thing.
You get ready. Hey. Just so y'all can see the fit, cha-cha. The fit. We got our homecoming outfits. What's up? Get it.
Stop playing with us. Stop. Okay? Don't play with us.
Oh, Arch in the back. What's up?
Archie, that. I kind of. How you doing?
Arrow.
They don't do that part.
Oh, they like autos okay. So
She's
drink the
my rock.
haterade. I'm like, no, I can't do none of that.
Hello.
I'm here with the stallion,
The stallion.
Miss Brittney Lewis.
Period.
Ooh,
Period.
that's it.
Hold on,
Take the scarf off, reveal the edges.
Ooh.
You bet. Oh,
Swim with it. Swim with, okay? Swim. Period. Ooh, got the seasick.
Hey guys, I'm Amari. I'm a second-year sports management major. My Instagram is @_Amari1025_ and how you spell Amari, Amari.
that's it.
Follow me. My information will be in the description box.
In the description box below.
Yes, description
Alright.
box.
So the time is now 11:06. These gorgeous girls about to get out of here and have a good night. So we'll see y'all later.
Period. Bye.
Oh yeah.